Hey everyone, I'm Ryan from RPG Equipment. Today we're at the New England Public Works Expo at the Best Western in Marlborough, Massachusetts. This event brings together public works crews, vendors, and equipment dealers from all over New England. It's a chance to see the trucks and tools that DPW teams rely on every single day. Walking through the show, the first thing you notice is the variety of gear. There were plenty of snowplow trucks and salt spreaders, all prepped for the tough New England winters. I also saw street sweepers designed to keep roads clean, and some massive dump trucks and loaders that DPW crews use for hauling gravel, asphalt, and soil on road projects. One of the coolest displays was the vacuum trucks used to clean storm drains and catch basins. These play a huge role in preventing flooding by keeping the drainage systems clear. There were also bucket trucks, the ones you see working on traffic lights or trimming trees, which are a daily tool for a lot of crews. And for a touch of history, there were even some antique trucks and older equipment on display, showing how far things have come. Be honest, there wasn't much here in terms of crushing and grinding equipment, which is more my usual lane, but that's okay, because it gave me some perspective. The focus here was really on the everyday gear DPW employees use, and it reminded me how critical these machines are to keeping towns and cities running smoothly. This in one place really highlights the wide range of jobs DPW crews handle, from plowing snow and patching potholes to cleaning drains and maintaining our streets. It's easy to take these things for granted, but events like this show just how much work goes into keeping communities moving. Overall, the New England Public Works Expo was a great experience. Even without the grinders and crushers, it offered a real look at the backbone of public works operations. I'm Ryan from RPG Equipment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.